this is Dr Karishma Ahuja, and this video is for all the Hooponopono lovers. Here is a quick but an important reminder. Are you doing Hooponopono? Hooponopono is really about using a tool that you're inspired to use. For example, thank you. You may simply be repeating thank you, thank you, thank you. But what you need to remember is this tool is only effective if you try and establish a connection with your inner child. Cleaning is really all about acknowledging the presence of your inner child and giving the child as much attention and love as you can. Here is a great way to connect with your inner child first thing in the morning. As you wake up, you freshen up, sit in silence for 10 minutes. Simply focus on your breathing. You know why? Who's doing the breathing for you? It's your inner child. So the moment you start focusing on your breath, you begin to establish a connection with your inner child. You can end this exercise by simply repeating, I love you. Another thing you can do before you end your day is once again, think of your inner child. You can simply think of your younger self. Allow any picture of your inner child that is coming into your mind to come. And as you are looking at the picture, touch your heart and simply repeat, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Touching your heart, feeling your heartbeat is a great way to connect with the inner child. If you start doing these two exercises first thing in the morning and the last thing before you go to bed, you will begin to see some miraculous changes. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's lots more coming up on Hooponopono. God bless.